Welcome to our Koufonisi travel guide, where we'll explore the stunning island of Koufonisi, Greece, uncovering the best things to do in Koufonisi for an unforgettable vacation. From pristine beaches to delicious local cuisine, discover everything you need to know about Koufonisi, Greece. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more travel guides and tips. Koufonisi is renowned for its stunning turquoise waters, pristine beaches, and unspoiled natural beauty, making it a paradise for beach lovers and nature enthusiasts. The island's charm lies in its tranquil atmosphere and traditional Cycladic architecture, offering a serene escape from bustling tourist hotspots. Its crystal-clear sea caves and vibrant local culture, including fresh seafood and lively festivals, further enhance its appeal, attracting visitors seeking both relaxation and adventure. Traveling to Koufonisi typically involves taking a ferry from major Greek ports such as Piraeus or Rufina, with several operators offering regular routes, especially during the summer season. Visitors can also reach the island via ferry connections from nearby Cycladic islands like Naxos or Santorini, which often serve as convenient transit points. Although Koufonisi lacks an airport, the combination of flights to neighboring islands and subsequent ferry rides ensures accessible and scenic travel options for tourists. Getting around Koufonisi is best done on foot, by bicycle, or by renting a scooter, allowing visitors to explore the island's picturesque landscapes and hidden coves at their own pace. For those who prefer more leisurely transport, local boat tours provide a unique way to visit remote beaches and sea caves that are otherwise hard to reach. The island's compact size and well-maintained paths make navigation straightforward, ensuring that all major attractions are easily accessible. Yes, Koufonisi is a highly walkable island, with most of its main attractions, beaches, and amenities situated within comfortable walking distance from each other. The island's flat terrain and scenic trails make for pleasant strolls, allowing visitors to soak in the beauty of their surroundings effortlessly. Walking not only offers a chance to discover charming hidden spots, but also allows for spontaneous encounters with friendly locals, enhancing the overall travel experience. When visiting Koufonisi, start your exploration at Amos Beach, located near the island center, where you can relax on soft sands and swim in clear waters. The island center, or Hora, is the vibrant heart of Koufonisi, featuring charming whitewashed buildings, cozy cafes, and local shops. A short walk away is Paralia Finica, a tranquil beach perfect for unwinding under the sun. Don't miss Fanos Beach, known for its stunning turquoise waters and vibrant marine life, ideal for snorkeling. Nature enthusiasts will be captivated by the natural pool, a unique rock formation filled with seawater, offering a refreshing swim in a natural setting. Gala Beach, with its dramatic cliffs and serene atmosphere, provides a picturesque spot for sunbathing and photography. Paralia Pori is another must-visit, famous for its wide sandy shore and excellent conditions for water sports. For a touch of history, visit the windmill Carnaggio, a charming old windmill offering panoramic views of the island and sea. Finally, explore Ano Koufonisi Marina, where you can enjoy a leisurely stroll, watch the boats, and savor fresh seafood at nearby tavernas. Exploring the coastline by walking is a wonderful way to discover the island's hidden coves and stunning sea views. Enjoy pristine beaches like Amos and Pori, where you can swim in crystal-clear waters and relax on golden sands. Taste local foods at traditional tavernas, savoring fresh seafood and authentic Greek dishes. Don't miss trying locally produced ice cream, a delightful treat to cool off with on warm days. If you visit during the Fisherman's Festival, you'll experience vibrant celebrations with music, dancing, and freshly caught fish. Taking a boat tour around the island allows you to explore secluded beaches and sea caves, offering a unique perspective of Koufonisia's natural beauty. Make sure to do some shopping to buy local souvenirs such as handmade jewelry, pottery, and textiles, which make perfect keepsakes. Relax with sunbathing on the beaches, soaking up the Mediterranean sun and enjoying the tranquil atmosphere. In the evenings, experience authentic Greek nights with live music, traditional dancing, and a warm, welcoming community. The best time to visit Koufonisi is during the late spring and early summer months, from May to June, when the weather is warm and the island is less crowded. This period offers ideal conditions for enjoying the beaches and outdoor activities, with mild temperatures and clear skies. Alternatively, September is also a great time to visit, as the sea remains warm, and the island retains its vibrant charm without the peak season crowds. Koufonisi tends to be more affordable compared to some of the more popular Cycladic islands like Mykonos or Santorini, offering good value for accommodation and dining. While there are upscale options available, budget travelers can find reasonably priced lodgings and local eateries that serve delicious meals at fair prices. The island's small size and walkability further help in keeping transportation costs minimal, making it a cost-effective destination for many visitors. The main area in Koufonisi is Hora, the island's charming capital and central hub, where most of the island's amenities, restaurants, and shops are located. Hora is characterized by its picturesque whitewashed buildings, narrow alleys, and vibrant local life, offering a quintessential Cycladic experience. This area serves as the perfect base for exploring the rest of the island, with easy access to nearby beaches and attractions. Visitors to Koufonisi should not miss the opportunity to indulge in fresh seafood, a staple of the island's cuisine, with locally caught fish, octopus, and calamari being particularly popular. Traditional Greek dishes such as moussaka, souvlaki, and spanakopita are also widely enjoyed, often prepared with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Additionally, Koufonisi is known for its delightful pastries and sweets, such as baklava and galaktobureko, which provide a perfect end to any meal. When visiting Koufonisi, be sure to purchase handmade crafts and souvenirs such as locally crafted jewelry, pottery, and traditional textiles, which make for unique and memorable gifts. The island shops also offer a variety of local food products, including honey, olive oil, and herbs, allowing you to take a taste of Koufonisi home with you. Art enthusiasts can find beautiful paintings and prints by local artists, capturing the island's stunning landscapes and seascapes. For accommodations in Koufonisi, a great option is the Finicas, a family-run beachfront hotel and restaurant located just a 10-minute walk from the center. This charming hotel offers a warm and welcoming atmosphere, with comfortable rooms and stunning sea views, perfect for a relaxing getaway. Staying at Finicas provides easy access to both the beach and Hora, making it a convenient and delightful choice for your stay. Spending 3 to 5 days in Koufonisi is ideal for fully experiencing the island's beauty and charm without feeling rushed. This time frame allows ample opportunity to relax on its pristine beaches, explore the picturesque Hora, and take boat trips to nearby islets and hidden coves. With a few days, you can immerse yourself in the local culture, enjoy the delicious cuisine, and truly unwind in this serene paradise. Nightlife in Koufonisi is laid back and intimate, focusing more on relaxed socializing than on bustling nightclubs. Visitors can enjoy evenings at cozy beach bars and tavernas, where live music and traditional Greek dancing create a charming and festive atmosphere. For those seeking a more tranquil experience, watching the sunset followed by stargazing on the beach offers a serene and unforgettable way to end the day. Koufonisi is considered very safe for tourists, with low crime rates and a friendly, welcoming local community. The island's small size and close-knit atmosphere contribute to a sense of security, making it an ideal destination for solo travelers, families, and groups alike. Visitors can explore freely and enjoy their stay with peace of mind, knowing that safety is not a concern. Absolutely, Koufonisi is worth visiting for its breathtaking natural beauty, pristine beaches, and authentic Greek island experience. The island's serene environment and charming traditional culture provide a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you're looking to relax by the sea, explore scenic landscapes, or indulge in delicious local cuisine, Koufonisi offers a rewarding and memorable vacation. Thank you for watching our Koufonisi travel guide. We hope you enjoyed discovering the beauty of Koufonisi, Greece, and found some great tips on things to do in Koufonisi. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures and guides.